Hello traders, today is the 13th of April 2023. Let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into this system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Alright, so Euro USD, you can see guys, we've been long since the beginning of this week. We really enjoyed this rally guys. Even today we had this beautiful breakout, amazing profit, and pretty straightforward. If you look at here 4 hour, and you can see here after previous high is broken, after this breakout, so we were expecting a long here. That's what exactly happened, and bank amazing profit. You can see here how I analyze the entries once we know the bias. That's what we explained to my trader, that the first priority will always be look for the pullback. And if the price break any recent low and retest, then we going to short, otherwise keep taking a long. We have one pullback, beautiful long trade here. I also updated that analysis here, look for this breakout too, and which you can see here at this analysis, breakout, beautiful pullback, breakout, under scaling trade, nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. After banking, price reverse. I say guys, if the price is gonna break this low, then short, you can see here, otherwise break this level, long here. You can see here price broken. After this breakout, price retest, beautiful long trade here, bank amazing profit on EURUSD. Cable, we had an amazing trade on the cable too guys. Let me share with you guys. If you look at the pound dollar 4 hour chart, pretty straightforward this morning. As explained to my trader, look for this breakout. If the price is going to respect this level, after this breakout, we are expecting here another pullback. Price nicely hit to the profit target. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries through intraday system. Amazing trade guys, beautiful. And if you look at here, so pretty straightforward this morning. As you can see here, as explained my trader, look for this breakout. You can see here price broken at this level. After the breakout, second pullback, third pullback, beautiful trades. And at the New York session, pretty straightforward. Once we see the price respecting, you can see here price respect is sort of like developing inverted head and shoulder pattern, and price nicely broken. After the breakout, price retest based on this symmetry triangle pattern. That was the counter short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, explain my trader tightening a stop loss, which we technically came out of the break even. As you can see here, the price impulsively reversed. All right, so dollar CAD, we had a beautiful trade guys, amazing. We really enjoyed it. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. As mentioned in my previous analysis, we've been short since the market broke on this bearish flag pattern, and even today, as explained by trader, if the price gonna break this level, then expect to keep taking a pullback. That's what exactly happened. And let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That was a beautiful trade guys, amazing. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade guys. Okay, so pretty straightforward. You can see here this morning, just before London Open, that was a beautiful breakout. After these breakouts, we were expecting another pullback, which I mentioned here. After banking some profit, another analysis, pullback, beautiful short trade here. And once the price develop another pattern structure, you can see a symmetric triangular pattern, another beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain my traders time to bank some profit. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses. That's the most interesting part of it. Or if you are still struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market. So I'm offering free one-to-one consultation where you can see it, how you can develop as a trading skill and get funded. For more information, my availability calendar link is given in the video description. So most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.